9 divided by 3 parenthesis 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 which equals to 3, and 9 divided by 3 which equals to 3, and 3 times 3 which equals to 9. Do you think this is the right way to solve? Let us check out. And if you have already solved this, then comment your answer to get future here. These are the top commenters. We will solve with the help of PEMDAS here. Okay, so we will rewrite our question here. 9 divided by 3 parenthesis 9 divided by 3. This is not the right way. I will show you how can you solve. According to PEMDAS, first we have to solve this parenthesis part, which we have 9 divided by 3, which we will get answer 3. So we will simply put the value 9 divided by 3 again times 3. Here is a catch, because there are two operations, that is division and multiplication, and we have to operate left to right because multiplication and division have the same priority. Okay, so we will solve in this way, left to right. And also in that case, 9 divided by 3 which equals to what? 3 times 3. Now 3 times 3 which equals to 9. You can see here is a match from the wrong way of solving and the right way of solving. You can see there are many questions you will get the right answer in the wrong way, but you are getting in the right answer by following always the order of operation and the PEMDAS. Okay, so always follow the PEMDAS and order of operation and solve these math videos. For more brain training, like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.